Hello, my dear friends. How are you today? First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in today's episode. Today, we have a topic like describe a company, a large company that you are interested in, and you should say which company is it, what it is like, how you know about it, how you feel about it, why you have interest in this company. So, it is the part 1 video or part 1 section. So, in this section, first of all, we are going to identify the tense, then I will give you a fluency blueprint. On the basis of fluency blueprint, I will try to create a love story for you. And yes, this topic has sample answer also cue card I will give you, and this topic has 8 follow-up questions. So just be with me. Our next topic is describe a person in your family. So if you don't want to miss this topic, so you need to subscribe this channel and yes, like this button or like this video. Okay, do not fast forward because it would not be a good idea to lose some information. And run 1.25x or 1.50x. If your listening is strong and you are an active listener, then you can run this video on 1.25x or 1.50x. Okay, right. So you are interested in it is in present, simple present in the form of passive voice. So never get confused. If you see this kind of structure or interested, it is not in past, it is in present. And company is, it is like, how you know about it, this is in past. How you feel about it in present, interested in this company, why, so it is also in present. So everything is in present, only this topic or this section is in past. Okay. In India there are a lot of companies, I can say multinational companies. So for example, for Facebook, Google, Microsoft, these are the big tycoon companies in India. And but my interest is in Accenture. Accenture is US based multinational company, and it has its headquarters in Silicon Valley also, and also in Delhi NCR. There are a lot of type of businesses, uh, or I can say services provided by this company. For example, this company also deals in clothes, I can say textile, medicine, electricity, natural resources, and the main part is software development. So if I can see the history, then in the year of 2019, this company touched touched the mark of $420 billion profit, and the CEO of that company is Julius Weeks, and this company has more than 10 subsidiaries, means sister concern companies. Apart from that, their natural work or normal work, this company also deals with social work, and this company donates a lot of money to literate people, and also provide medical aid for those people who are poor, who are not, or I can say the people who are not able to um, take medical aid because of less money. Okay, I get to know about this company because of my two friends. They are working right now, working in this company, and they told me about this company. They told me about the management rules and regulations and other stuff. So that's why I am interested in this company. This company also runs its faculty development program. So they gradually educate their faculty members also. So that's why definitely right now I am interested in this company. In my opinion, this company is the best company if you want to grow your future. Okay, so definitely in future I will apply in this company when they will have some kind of opening as per my resume or my qualification. So that is it. And now it's time to read the actual answer, or I can say sample answer. There are many huge and successful corporations all over the world, like Reliance, Tata, Amazon, Google. Here I would like to talk about a company in which I want to work, and that is Accenture. It is a multinational company headquartered in Delhi NCR. Different types of businesses run under Accenture, like software development, outsourcing, textile, natural resources, retail, telecommunication, and so on. On 1st December 2019, Accenture became the first largest international company to exceed 420 billion market capitalization. Julius Sweet designated as a CEO of this company in the year of 2090. Approximately 10 important subsidiaries are under this company. Accenture and its subsidiaries are not only famous for its business, but its members like Julius Sweet do a lot of social work. She donates money to NGO, provides medical aid, and encourages literacy among poor people. Currently, two of my friends are working in Accenture as a senior soft manager in software development wing, and they told me about the amendment rules and regulations, many other things of this company which I like. Also, they run many faculty development programs to train their employees. So that is why I am interested in to join this company for sure. When they will have any opening in future as per my qualification, I am going to apply for that post. So it is the simple answer. Now follow-up questions. What are the difference between a big company and a small company? There are many differences between big and small companies. Big companies work at the international level, so it is a status symbol to work in these companies. The second advantage is that the company offers an excellent salary to its employees and provides extra facilities like traveling and health insurance. Moreover, in a big company, faculty development program is provided to all new workers. Small companies, there are many small scale businesses which is only limited in a single city or state. These companies offer small packages and do not provide extra facilities. In a small company, everybody knows everybody, right? Means everybody knows everybody. Yes, there are many big companies in our country. Are there many big companies in our country? Yes, there are many big companies in our country like Reliance, Tata, and many international companies also open their branches in India. So I can say yes, India is a fast developing country. What are the good things about working for a big company? Big companies work at the international level, so it is a status symbol to work in these companies. The second advantage is that the company offers an excellent salary to its employees and provides extra facilities like traveling and health insurance. Moreover, in a big company, faculty development program is provided to all new workers. How can a small company grow big? There are many methods through which a small company becomes a big one. Small companies can do so in many ways. First, in that the company can employ skilled and professional workers. Second is the right market strategy is very helpful to grow a business. Should big companies donate more to charity? Yes, they should donate more to non-government organizations. Ordinary people can provide small help like food and clothes, but only big firms can provide financial support to charities. Through with poor children get proper education and life. This is a win-win situation. When they get publicity for their charity work, they are getting advertisement for free. Should big companies be punished more seriously if they break the law? No, I think the law is identical for every person or any company. So it does not matter how big or small the company is in my country, everyone has been treated equally by law. Are there any big companies in your hometown? I live in a small town, but it is our good luck that our city has Vardhaman spinning mill and government sugar mill, and more than 4,000 people work in these industries. Is it difficult to get a promotion in a large company? I don't think so, because big companies are always looking for the great talent for new innovation or to make previous product great. So if you have talent and you are good in communication, then definitely you can get promotion. So far you just need to present yourself or thoughts. Okay, so it is the part 1 section of this video for the topic of describe a large company that you are interested in, and definitely I will see you in our part 2 section, in which I will read the cue card once again for just a kind of memory recall. After that I will speak the mini story. It is very important to get a fluency, right? So bye bye, take care.